Yo, what's up, my boys? Welcome to another video where we'll be talking about the most exciting technology in the world, Ethereum and crypto and all this cool stuff. And today, because we are approaching the merge, the Ethereum merge, we'll be talking about one more Ethereum misconception. But I think you haven't heard about this one. Or if you heard, I think you didn't get the correct information. So without further ado, let's get into it. And the misconception is the merge will reduce gas fees. Will it reduce or not? So what people are saying, and even if you go to like tons of blogs in the Ethereum community, is that the merge, this Ethereum upgrade that is transitioning Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake by merging the beacon chain with the execution layer, it will not reduce the transaction fees, the gas fees. And the reality is that, yes, it will reduce. It may not be much, just a little bit, but it will reduce. And to be accurate, like if you want to be accurate, we need to say that it will reduce. Like $1 is not the same as 90 cents. So there is a difference. And so why will it reduce? There are two things that are changing. One is the MEV boost. The Flashbot's MEV boost will be democratized to any validator. So at the moment, only geeky people or certain mining pools use MEV boost, miner extracted value or maximal extracted value. And now this piece of software will be available to everyone. And so everyone will be constructing more efficient Ethereum blocks. So that's one thing that will help a little bit with transaction fees. The second thing, very important, is that blocks will be created on average every 12 seconds instead of the 13.3 seconds. So this is a reduction in 10% in terms of the speed of creating blocks on the blockchain, meaning that the blockchain will have not only be 10% faster, but will also have 10% more capacity. So there is more throughput and consequently will help reducing the fees. Then the second thing that is really connected is transactions will get faster. So as I said again, instead of 13.3 seconds, blocks will be created every 12 seconds. That's about 10% faster. So those people that are saying that there is no change at all, there is actually some change. So these transactions and gas fees will be slightly faster. Now, if you are waiting for big scalability on the Ethereum network, we need to wait for the Surge upgrade. And the Surge is going to implement sharding or shard chains. This is when the beacon chain will have on the top 64 shards. So you can see, like, imagine the Ethereum blockchain at the moment is like one rose with one single lane, right? And once sharding is updated, the Surge, it will implement like a highway of lanes where transactions can go, right? And this is sharding. It will have 64 shards. And that's when actually we will have a huge change in terms of transaction fees and speed. So at the moment we have a little bit improvement, 10%, but once sharding is implemented, it will be an improvement of 10x or more, way more. So this is the speeds before and after the merge with proof of work and proof of stake, as you can see here. And basically, in a nutshell, per day, at the moment, we have 6,500 Ethereum blocks being created with transactions inside. And after the merge, we will have 7,200 blocks per day. So there is some difference. It's not too little. And in fact, if you look here at this kid is saying at the end of 1 year, POS, proof of stake, will process 40 million additional transactions. So there is some difference. And so for those people that are saying, no, there will not be any difference, that's a myth, that's a misconception. Actually, the people that are trying to debunk the misconception are misconcepted. All right, that's all for today. If you like, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and bling, bling, bling. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.